Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable LED light on your XIAOMI G27Qi gaming monitor. First of all, you have to reach for the joystick, which is located on the back side of the monitor. You can reach it from the right side of it, and if you press it once, you will see the D-pad on your screen. Now you want to drag your joystick to the right to open the main menu, and after that scroll down to System Settings. Here in System, you're gonna have to drag your joystick to the right once again, scroll down to LED light option, and if you want to disable it, select Energy Saver. If you want to enable it, select On. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.